I love a transformation when you spin that client around and they have volume that they've never had before. It's my place in the world to make my girls smile through their hair. Hi, my name is Nhiya Blu, and I am a texture specialist here in Los Angeles. The no leave out method is a simple protective style where we use clip-ins, and instead of leaving your natural hair out, we crochet into the part to create a blended effect of natural texture. The clip-in method that I'll be using today can be very helpful for our curly girls because it alleviates a lot of tension on the root. These curly clip-ins are great to switch up your style when you don't want to put any tension on your hair.
My hair right now is super duper natural. I'm a 4B curl pattern, so my hair is super fine, by the way. When it comes onto flat ironing it, it's like this thin. So I've really been gearing more towards the protective styles these days. The more I can keep my hair out of me running through it and playing with it and just messing with it, the better. So I'm really excited to have all of my hair braided down and have a complete 100% protective style again. So I got these really pretty clip-ins from Kinkistry.
Do you have the hair with you today?
Yes, I do. It's right here. So I have a 20-inch and an 18-inch.
I've definitely wanted to work with Kinkistry for a while.
Oh, good.
So I'm excited.
Yes, I'm really excited about it too. The hair is like really full and pretty. And I feel like the two bundles are gonna be perfect because my head is small, so I'm not gonna need too much, and it's to be natural.
Be nice and full.
So I opted for this method because I have commitment issues. I can't stick to just one hairstyle for a long time.
I get that.
So clip-ins are best for me, and I think the no leave out method is great because I won't have to deal with my own hair. Period. You get it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
First, we'll begin with freshly washed hair, and I definitely encourage a deep conditioning session if we're going to have your hair away under a style for a couple of weeks. With each client, I love to section for manageability as I work my leave-in through. With textured hair, I've learned that Bantu knots are the holy grail for holding the moisture in each section while detangling, especially for stretching the hair. Now, I will be stretching the hair to prepare Bree's hair for braids. A light blow dry will lock in that hydration and aid in smoother manipulation while braiding it down. I'm going to coat the hair prior to braiding for added moisture. I'm using Hydrolux Growth and Anti-Itch Serum. Next, I'll be mapping out where my part will be. In this case, our lovely model is into middle parting, so center is where our two ankle braids will be. So here, I'm going to give Bree a few straight backs so we can squeeze those clips in and snap close. You may want to sew the ends of your braids together and up for added security. Beginning from the bottom, we want to place our clips with 3 snaps in the nape, wefts with 4 clips behind the ears and around the occipital bone, 3 snap weft at the crown, and our double clips on the sides. Now I'm ready to blend. Starting with the crochet needle, I'm going to push the open needle under and through the braid, section a tiny piece of hair from the top of the clip, pulling it back through the braid and releasing towards Bree's part. Once I find that rhythm, I want to continue this all around both sides of my part and hairline. When my parting is nicely covered and full, I may even tease around my part for added blend and lift. I love saturating my curls section by section with a leave-in, curl cream, and foam to get great wash and go definition. Lastly, I ensure clean smooth edges with gel spray of choice and just hit with cool air to set. And now, time for the reveal. So Bree, you ready to see your new look?
I am.
Okay.
Oh my god! No, wait a minute. This looks like my real hair. Like, this is my real hair.
It looks so good.
You see my scalp?
It's coming out of your scalp.
This is so pretty. The curls are like so soft. This feels like home. I don't know, there's something about this style that just feels like me. It's just super natural. I just can't get over it. It's a huge transformation, but it's not super day-night difference. What I love most about the look is just the fact that it looks like it's mine, because you cannot tell me that this is a closure, because it's literally touching my skin. This is me. This is my hair. Look at me. Look at me.
I love it.
This is it. To watch more videos like this, subscribe below.